Subscribe. Hello friends, I'm Sally. Welcome to my channel friends. We will examine this building together. Before starting the video, if you subscribe to my channel from the subscribe button at the bottom and open the notifications, you will not miss the videos. Friends, if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. Have a good time. Yes, friends, our building is 65 square meters prefabric. Let me show you that garden house in its garden, a building we built in such a beautiful place. Coating, jewelry coating, these processes were not applied. The standard is 250 in height, so the ceiling height has arrived. It is a standard prefabricated building. Friends, the windows of our building are on the 70th floor. In short, we use diesel windows. The entrance door is the steel door as usual. This is it. Let me go inside and show you inside. When you enter through the steel door, the open kitchen living room set greets us right in front of us. You can see the small part of it. Thank goodness we have Holy on the side with our building mate. Right in front of it is the toilet and bathroom section. It consists of a shower cabin, toilet section and sink section. There is a 4-meter guide here, friends, and on the right there is a bedroom of 12 square meters. Friends, subscribe. These doors are American press. The door is right in front of this room, 16 square meters. This is a room of 16 square meters. This is a room, friends, subscribe. Our new building's exterior paint was done. The doors were installed. The windows were installed. The lamp was installed since the socket. Laminate parquet ceramic threads were made. The small cabinet countertops were also done. This is how our building was delivered to our customer. Mugla Mr. What we have done in the country is a simple and useful garden with only the height of the head on the wall. And besides, if you don't want the connection elements you see on this wall to be visible, we know that our building is plastered and gold-plated on the inside, and our walls are thickened by an inch or two, giving it a straight and summer home look. Either we can do things like iPhone coating war collection, one of the most frequently asked questions of our friends. It is commented under almost every video. Our place is in Mugla, friends. The price of the Earside building, friends, the prices are changing as Osman. Our prices change according to the customer's request. Even a door and a pot change the cost. Yes, if I need to give an average price as of today. I'm talking about single-story buildings with a square meter of which varies between 800 TL and 1000 TL according to the project of this building, according to the number of rooms, ceiling according to the ceiling height, the doors to the yachts between themselves. Friends, let me tell you the average prices of the 2-story buildings with insufficient salt here. The square meter unit price of our duplex buildings varies between 1000 TL and 2300 TL. As I said, friends, according to the door, window, hall, according to the ceiling height, according to the number of rooms, according to the project, the prices of the buildings differ. Thank you for watching my video. Friends, you can ask the questions you want to ask me in the comments section, or we leave it below. You can ask us via email address, Instagram addresses, Facebook back. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. If you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications, you will not miss the next videos. Friends, have a good time.